Friends, in last lecture we have completed 2.2 sum number 15. So we are starting now 2.2 from sum number 16. Sum is sine 2 pi by 3. Now inverse and function will cancel, but it is not in range, so we have to take this 2 pi by 3 means 120 degree into minus 90 to plus 90. So take your 11th method. 3 1 ja 3. Take two parts of 2 pi, 3 pi minus pi by 3. Sine inverse sine LCM separate pi minus pi by 3. Pi will remove and pi minus pi by 3 in second quadrant, and in second quadrant according to all as TC sine will be positive, so sine positive. Now it is angle pi by 3 in range minus 90 to plus 90, so this will cancel and your answer is pi by 3. Same sum number 17. Tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Just like sum number 16, 3 pi, take two parts, 4 pi minus pi by 4. Tan LCM separate pi minus pi by 4. Now remove pi, so tan pi by 4, but it will be negative because pi minus pi by 4, that is in second quadrant, so minus. Now in rules of minus are sine inverse, tan inverse, and cosec inverse, minus will come outside, so minus tan inverse tan pi by 4. Now tan inverse tan cancel, your answer will be minus pi by 4. Sum number 18. We will take here sum number 18. 10 sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Now we have to add these two inverse, so make angle of triangle of this 3 5, this is 4, and cot inverse is formula cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x, so we will change here cot inverse into tan, so tan inverse and value of this reciprocal 3 by 2, it will be 2 by 3. Now from here tan, now take this into tan inverse 3 by 4 plus convert into tan inverse, this value will be 3 by 2 is converted into 2 by 3. Now we have to apply formula, check x into y is equal to 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 6 by 12 less 1. So we'll apply formula tan inverse. Your formula is 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 by 1 minus 6 by 12. Okay, formula is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now we'll take this into next page. Okay, again sine inverse we have to convert it tan inverse, so make triangle of this. Opposite 3, hypotenuse 5, adjacent 4. Now for formula, your tan inverse 3 by 4, cot inverse converted into tan inverse, value will reciprocal 2 by 3. Now apply formula. Now taking LCM of this, sum number 18, continue. Tan inverse, taking LCM, 9 plus 8 by 12 minus 6 is equal to tan inverse 17 by 6. Now tan and tan inverse will be cancelled, so your answer will be 17 by 6. Sum number 19. It is a MCQ. We have to find value of cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Now as like sum number 16 and 17, we have to take this part, two parts of 7 pi, 6 1 is 6, 6 pi plus pi whole by 6. Cos inverse cos, separate LCM, pi plus pi by 6. Now pi will be removed. Cos pi plus pi by 6. Now it is in third quadrant, so minus. All STC 10 will be positive, so cos negative. Now rules of minus for cos inverse, minus will come outside but with pi, so pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 6, or minus come outside but with pi. Now this is in range, so pi minus pi by 6, taking LCM, 5 pi by 6 is your answer. It is MCQ, option B. Sum number 20. Sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Minus will come outside, so negative come outside, positive, sine inverse 1 by 2. Now value of 1 by 2 is sine pi by 6 from your 10th table. Now pi by 3 plus sine inverse sine cancel, pi by 6. This is 60 and 30, so sine 90. Sine pi by 2, and that is equal to 1. That is your answer. In sum number 21, this is the last question of 2.2. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Now root 3 value of tan pi by 3. Here we have to remove minus, so pi minus in cos, cot and sec. Minus will come outside but with pi. Cot inverse root 3. Now tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 3, pi minus cot inverse cot pi by 6, value of root 3. Pi by 3, pi minus cot inverse cot also cancel, pi by 6. Pi by 3, 6 pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. LCM 6, 2 multiply 2 pi minus 5 pi minus 3 pi by 6, so 3 cut with 6, okay, pi minus 3 cut 6, pi by 2. That is your answer. Now this is your last question of 2.2. Now in exercise, miscellaneous exercise, your 2 last exercise. First question is find value of cos inverse cos 13 pi by 6. 3 sums we have taken in 2.2. Here again 6 2 ja 12, so 12 pi plus pi by 6. Cos inverse cos, taking LCM separate, 2 pi plus pi by 6. 2 pi will remove, cos pi by 6. It is in first quadrant, and in first quadrant cos will positive. Cos inverse cancel, your answer is pi by 6. Sum number 2. Tan inverse tan 7 pi by 6. Here again same method, tan 6 1 ja 6, 6 pi plus pi by 6. LCM separate, pi plus pi by 6. Pi remove, tan pi by 6, and it is in third quadrant, so positive. All STC, tan is positive in third quadrant, tan inverse tan also cancel, pi by 6. That is your answer. In sum number 3, we have to prove two sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 24 by 7. That is we have to prove. Now convert into tan. So we are taking triangle 3, 5 and 4. So 2 tan inverse 3 by 4, opposite adjacent. These are 3 formulas, remember it. For 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So apply this formula. 2 tan inverse x, this is x. We apply formula tan inverse 2x, x means 3 by 4 by 1 minus x square, 9 by 16. Six by 4, 16 minus 7, 9, 7 by 16. 4 cut, 4 up, 24 by 7, that is equal to your RHS. Sum number 4, sorry, sum number 4, sine inverse 8 by 17 plus sine inverse 3 by 5. We have to prove tan inverse 77 by 36. Now convert this in tan inverse. Triangle of this 8, 17, 15, 3, 5, 4. So this is tan inverse 8 by 15 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. Now again formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We have to add 2 tan inverse. Check xy. X into y is equal to 8 by 15 into 3 by 4. 24 by 60 is less than 1. So apply formula tan inverse 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4 by 1 minus 24 by 60. Cross 32 plus 15, LCM cut, 60 minus 24, tan inverse 77 by 36, that is your RHS. Sum number 5, LHS cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13. Now again triangles, 4, 5, 3, 12, 13, 5. So this is converted into tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 5 by 12. Check xy. 3 by 4 plus into 5 by 12 is equal to 15 by 48 less than 1. So apply formula tan inverse 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12 by 1 minus multiplication is 15 by 48. Tan inverse cross 36 plus 20 by 48 minus 15. Tan inverse 56 by 33. But we have to convert into cos inverse. So again triangle 56, 33. You will find this is 65. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem. So convert into cos inverse just sign by hypotenuse 33/65, that is your RHS. Okay, thank you.